afternoon, all of you.
Afternoon, sir.
How are you? You are looking very energetic right now. Even though almost all 4 hours you spend in the same ground, but still you are active. Are you ready to dance with me? Shall we go with the dance? Huh? Anyway, I extend my warm congratulations to all the boys and girls of UKG because right now they are becoming graduates. Yeah, it's their 3 years journey. The span of 3 years journey is going to be colorful with the help of UKG last examination. I extend my sincere thanks to Nursery Madam, LKG Madam, as well as UKG and remaining supporters because of your wonderful platform right now. They have given outstanding presentation in front of us. Actually, once you go and glance, the child when decided to start nursery mean to say, unwillingly they will come to school. We can see almost all tears on in their eyes. Such kind of children are really being designed by Sujata ma'am and her co-partner in different manner. From that stage onwards, LKG, right now UKG, children really showing their wonderful performance, welcoming presentation, dances, skits. Really the language is very beautiful. I think almost all 3 years they have enjoyed in the same premises. Same assembly proceedings will be conducted in the same premises only. Right now, fortunately, God also blessed us to conduct their graduate meet over here. So this is purely being organized by the wonderful mentor, our Kamlina ma'am, our headmistress of this wonderful play school. I extend my sincere namaskar to Amma because of your initiation, because of your activeness and outstanding rigorous commitment, love and concern toward the children. Right now we are able to see this much colorful children over here. Really you people really operated in fine manner. I am a first fan of your assembly proceedings. First fan of your assembly proceedings. Such way you organized your program lineup. Almost all 30 plus minutes you people took to organize the program. That's a great sign. Really I feel it's going to be a great sign to the society because generally play school mean to say children will go and busy with attendance and remaining thing. But entirely Johnson Global is entirely different one. Almost all every program they have operated in assembly proceedings only. That is really a great program schedule. Once again I extend my sincere congratulations to all. Really you people are very challenging personalities. Every time in number of activities you have operated. They are small kids, innocent kids. Generally they won't listen our words. But they are ready to habituate with your wonderful handling only. Because of that particular soothing lineup, you people really design the children in mind-blowing manner. There is no doubt at all. Handling one kid is really a head task to my daughter, but you people are handling almost all 40 plus children in the classroom. Mean to say, heads off to you. I bow my head in front of your great patience and more than that, your love and concern towards children. I think one word touched me a lot when Hinduja invited welcoming children, they mentioned one beautiful word. We miss you madams, we miss you teachers, we miss you play school. Really, almost all I got tears when I heard that word. And such kind of a great connectivity they are having with you. Yes, ఢిల్లీకి రాజైనా తల్లికి కొడుకేనటండి. భవిష్యత్తులో వాళ్ళు ఎంత దూరం ప్రయాణం చేసినా మీ పర్టికులర్ మెమొరీసే వాళ్ళతో జీవితకాలం ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఇన్నోసెంటో మీరు కూడా అంత ఇన్నోసెంట్ కాబట్టి యూ పీపుల్ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సర్వీస్. ఐ సిన్సియర్లీ బిలీవ్ ఎస్ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ గాడ్స్ గ్రేస్ ఈస్ దేర్ బిహైండ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సర్వీసెస్. భగవంతుడి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ప్లే స్కూల్ టీచర్ అయ్యారండి. కాబట్టి యు ఆల్వేస్ will be rewarded, honored. There is no doubt at all. I really feel very happy to have you over here. Moreover, your decoration, arrangements, pre-planned program is really awesome. No particular, what we can say, choreographer was not there. No particular architecture was not there. You people involvement, unity you have shown and you have taken support from your near and dear and designed that one. That's really great one. Moreover, I special thanks to our Vice Principal Madam Hinduja. Really, she has operated a span of less time. Half an hour time only I gave to her. but she has come with extraordinary words, man. Extraordinary words comparing with previous presentations. Really, today is